strip.
Okay.
Why does this thing have engine noises?
I'm going as fast as possible.
Oh, I failed.
I'm on the roof! I'm on the roof with the freaking Pacquiao! I'm on the roof!
That doesn't make any sense at all. What the heck? That is such bull. That is such bull. What the hell? Oh, was I able to do that? I was going faster than you. That is unfair. Get down from there right now.
The one thing I'm good at is accidentally team killing and making it look like I accidentally team kill.
I can improve that one too. I love our doc. He's quite skillful. As you can see, he's using the.
I got two.
What'd you do?
He went to go shoot Doc, and Steven ran in front of him and he got banned.
Who got banned?
He got banned. Good job, Aiden. Pro gaming.
Are you boys ready to do siege?
Oh no.
What the fuck? What the fuck just happened?
Aiden, I think you're bored.
Unless you
Tell her to.
I've said all day. And you didn't see that.
I mean, I think we both shot it. I just shot it like 0.3 seconds early.
No, I
That's
what?
awkward. That's
What?
unfortunate timing.
What? What?
I was just like, hold on, let me try to free fire.
Oh my god!
That.
men. Oh.
What?
Awkward.
What?
That's awkward. That's an awkward time to join.
All I heard was men.
Oh, that's funny.
I heard it was just men out of context.
I'm gonna make this guy. I'm fine, you.
Go get some Spanish.
Oh, way better.
Did I mention Go-Go Power Rangers?
No.
Where's that bandit battery? I need a bandit battery.
I need
No!
a penis.
He got my Twitch drone. I'm pissed. If you kill
Oh,
Mozzie, you're awesome.
Okay.
If you kill
Alright.
Mozzie, I'll reveal my ways to Aiden. That's awkward.
Someone on stairways.
Is the leash on the stairs again?
I don't know. But I threw a grenade in there and got nobody. There was somebody on the stairs. I didn't see him.
Royal's at the end of that hallway, Aiden. Careful. All the way at the end. He's hiding. Can you... I'm gonna reload.
I have shotgun.
Just hold the door. I tagged him. Maybe I got lucky and I knocked him. I don't think I did, but maybe... Oh, there's a rotate there, never mind, he's gone. Where did he go? Bet you he went up red. So nitro and red. Oh, and the other Twitch drone. I'm just better Twitch. I got the Twitch drone. Oh, I'm getting ran out on! I told you to hold the door! Oh, because she didn't run out the door.
You ran up.
Behind you, Aiden.
I feel like that wasn't there.
Oh, you killed Mozzie. Alright, yeah, you're right, Aiden. I do touch you in your sleep. But not anymore. It was a long time ago.
Okay. I didn't want to fall down here.
And it was, pay to work. Bottom of the stairs, you saw him. It's Mozzie, he went all the way down. Or not Mozzie,
Goyo.
I think it's Goyo. Goyo or Bandit.
Let's go, yeah.
Just don't even bother chasing him. In sight. Watch that Goyo shield. You can drone. That hack was over.
Bandit.
That's
Yeah, I was
Bandit.
trying to get
Last
in
one
and
is Mozzie. Now,
defuse.
not Mozzie. Just go plant, Aiden.
Ow.
I was just shooting it.
Old white.
I popped the fire behind you.
Alright.
There's a.
Why did I shoot that?
Yeah. I have ice on the diffuser.
Nope, that's a Mozzie.
Oh,
Now
crap,
they do
only I
too.
can use- That's okay. Not anymore. Just hold
Guarantee
close
comes
somewhere
up
with your
red.
shotgun. Aiden, just hold close with your shotgun on that door. I read. Watch out, there's a nitro missile above it. On diffuser.
Yeah, I'm trying to listen, but I really
Just wait.
can't.
He's diffusing. Oh, you got him.
I was like trying to listen, that's why I was being quiet, and you're just talking about close range with shotguns. I'm like, I think so, dude.
Did I do an AC, boy?
I don't
I think
know.
I
No.
just no.
No, he got a kill.
You pee head.
Bad. She is.
So I didn't know how
Oh
to
my
really
God,
edit
that's a
this
real
clip. I just enjoyed
paragraph.
how it was.
Here, send me it.
I
I'll
just
read it.
found it funny.
No.
That's all.
No, there's a lot of things in there, and I'm scared.
Just tell. Just
Aiden,
read
is there the V word?
it. It's the V word. Visco.
Visco girl. What did you think it was?
And don't
Your
take
mind out
a
of the gutter.
bath. You'll just bathe in blood. You'll spend an
Honestly,
average
though,
of
like, that sounds like a good
$100
time.
plus per year just on pads and tampons. No swimming, no pissing without pain, no sitting without wanting to die. You will bleed a lot through your pants. You will bleed a lot through your pants a lot and a lot more.
Okay, I don't want
I
it.
dare you to say sounds hot.
Get back aches, leg aches, neck aches.
Cum aches, dick aches.
All
You know,
I
there's
put is
actually
I'm
a form of
scared.
form
on.
of period.
What?
There's
No,
actually
no,
a
no.
form of period for males whenever the testosterone's too low.
I want to
I've
die.
never experienced one of those because testosterone.
Wait, hold on.
I'm assuming if you come enough, your testosterone
It causes-
stays up. So I mean,
It causes the same amount of like pain as well and things like that.
Aiden, I dare you to put equals triple N.
what? What do you
I
mean?
just meant,
So
like,
I dare you to put supply and demand.
just say I wasn't responding. I was failing triple N.
Sorry, I had to fail triple N real quick. You were really just getting my motors running, if you know what I mean.
Walks up to woman. I just failed triple N. What's that mean?
I just failed November. You just walk away. They have a Cassell! AKA only got claw
I
for
might
9.
send her. I just failed No Note November. That made me really horny.
Oh, that's hot. You should do that. That's a good idea. I've never heard a better idea. How not to keep your girlfriend.
I mean,
She'll probably just put same. Honestly.
oh
Did she put same?
The one time I don't
no,
know.
I never typed it in. I was just like, I mean, yeah, probably. She's just that weird of a person that I could say that would be a probable thing to happen.
I think they have an ADS. I think they have a
They don't have an ADS.
Maybe I felt this.
Oh my god, you almost lost your head. Aiden,
And
I'm
I
trying to
still dead.
peek people and you're just running in front of me
I
like...
was trying to get a grenade kill because I knew where people were at.
Where? What else do I see besides
On
this
top.
man's head?
Down the hallway. There was
Yeah,
This
I
is
was-
awkward, huh?
How does an MPX do that much? Huh?
That made me so horny.
She killed me in 2 shots with a BB gun.
I failed. And.
Did you actually just...
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Good. Whenever I was FaceTiming Madison the one day, she put Visco Girl
Oh, I
over
shot
her
you in the head.
and she has an 11 and it followed her. I hung up immediately. I was like, yeah, that's not happening.
Yeah, she just
Oh,
didn't.
I
She's
hate
just
these.
not typing.
I mean, I have reason. I have my reason. She's losing. She's losing December over there. Sorry, I don't even.
Can
Oh,
women
cringe.
lose No Nut November?
No.
Can you lose destroy your December?
No,
December
that's
after
impossible. Unless you don't jerk off at all, then that's impossible.
As little kids, did we always lose?
Yes, we did.
We always lost Destroy Your Dick December, but we never lost No Nut November.
No Nut November, more like
she
No Nut
just took
Ever.
so long to type,
Coming is a sin.
and all she put was JFC, which means Jesus fucking Christ.
JFC, that sounds like Hitler. Why did that come to my mind?
I'm gonna type back in KFC.
I fight back in Hitler.
Kentucky Fried Chicken. Jesus fucking Christ, Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Kentucky Fried Cunt.
Kentucky Fried Cock. Stay out of the blast zone, if you know what I mean.
Ian, things not to stay in a playground or a school. Multiple occasions.
That's a universal thing. Never say. Stay out of the blast zone, if you know what I mean.
That could
Don't
go
say it in a
multiple
school
ways.
because no. Don't say it in a playground because no. Honestly, just universal. Don't say that ever.
It could mean two different things. Something's about to go boom boom, and your pee-pee's about to go boom boom.
I hope someone jumps through the freaking door that has a cap can and a Goyo shield on it.
Ow! Don't run out. Off the play.
Well, that's awkward. I was trying to spawn peek. I'm gonna continue to try to spawn peek. It probably won't end well for me, but hey.
Okay, that's scary.
Oh wait, whoever knifed me. I'm texting. Alright, okay, hold on. Move out way. Move out way, big TV coming through.
Okay, that hurt.
She's in ruins. Nook.
Ryder! Ryder! Ryder!
Aiden likes man, if you didn't notice already. I like how that shotgun works for you.
I like how this game is like really good.
I like how my hands are cold, and I want to put them up my ass, but like I can't because they don't fit.
Uh-huh.
That was hot. I don't even know who made that noise. It was me. Just kidding.
I just choked on the.
I just choked on a penis.
Pizza, not pizza. No, eat.
Oh!
Sorry.
No. 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 No, I'm good. She put in you and Hunter, and she put the cucumber in the peach.
Yes,
And that's glass!
Aiden's glass, yay. Haha, get real.
Last time I got a freaking random pick
Put
glass,
Ryder.
I got like a 4K.
Say Ryder instead.
Say, nah.
I'm not into that stuff.
Ryder instead.
Yeah. And then it's better.
Oh, hey, there are sight. Blue boar. Somebody's
Also,
bored.
Ryder?
Muzzy.
Also, Ryder, young man, I need you to unmute your mic for this.
Not also, please. I don't want to join.
Ryder?
Oh, so Donovan was saying that I wanted to fuck Mitchell because like they're dating, not actual.
That's awkward. They have a Mozzie
What?
and a, Jaeger.
So then Scott said that I was trying to fuck
Alibi.
Mitchell, and Donovan got offensive, and I was like, let's just threesome, and Donovan was like, okay.
Hi.
I'm scared, Aiden. You think that little notch in the door was a cap can for a second? Okay. That's true, you're not getting my pee-pee, fat fuck. Hey, just go plant, please.
Planting.
And just throw smoke here.
Okay, dude, this fucking alibi is so low. What is up with her ass? She's so laggy too. Alibi,
They're all
you are
behind the
so
bar.
dumb. They were literally all there.
I know.
Clearly.
I know this. I just like. I'm glad.
Well, Aiden, maybe.
Aiden.
Maybe.
To be, you know,
Should have picked an operator then. I like how Alibi didn't die after the constant amount of bullets they put to her forehead.
I like forehead. Calm.
Me too. I really do love head.
That's
Oh, sorry. I thought that was going somewhere else.
I could turn